So, I'm here to present a small topic, that is the difference between accuracy and precision. Basically, you are supposed to ask what instrument or what reading is more precise, more accurate. There are 1 marks, 2 marks questions in the examinations. So basically, there is a little bit confusion about either this one is precise or this one is accurate. First of all, let me tell you one thing, that accuracy and precision are quite different things. They have no relation between each other, right? So before starting the lecture, let me tell you what I have written over here. There's a difference between accuracy and precision. You can write it straightforward. I can read it for you. The first point, it refers to the closeness of measurement to the true value of a physical quantity. And the second point is, if we reduce error, measurement become more accurate. Let me read. For the precision, it refers to the resolution or the limit up to which a quantity is measured. Second point is, precision is determined by least count of a measuring instrument. The smallest the least count, the larger is precision. Right? Now, basically you have to understand that precision depends on the resolution. And I have already cleared what the resolution is. Just suppose you have a meter scale. You have vernier calipers. When you will visit your lab, then you will understand how the vernier calipers looks like, right? So vernier calipers, you just understand the name and the screw gauge. You have 3 devices. The meter scale can reach only up to 1 digit, that is 0.1 centimeter. Vernier calipers can read 0.01 centimeter. It can give you an answer or measurement up to 2 places of the decimal, right? And the screw gauge can give you more precisely 0.001. So you can say this has the minimum least count. And among these, this one has the maximum least count. So, what will be more precise or more resolution? The result given by the screw gauge will be more precise. I am not saying that screw gauge will give you the accurate value. It may or it may not be, because accuracy has nothing to do with the precision, right? Okay, one thing is that, what is precision? If the values of an experiment are close to each other, then the result is said to be more precise. And if the result is more close to the actual value, then the result is said to be more accurate. For example, you have the accurate mass 0.5 is to 0 gram, and 3 students take the measurement and they give the values, that is 0.52. A student gives you 0.52 gram, 0.51 gram, 0.50, 0.51. If you understand the thing, if I write a 0 over here, so it will be 0.50, 0.510, 0.5006. You can see the result differ to the maximum range. A के result आपस में ही काफी दूर है. The results are scattered. Understand? That is why I can say A is least precise. Number 1. What about B? B has 15, 16, 14, 15. The results are close to each other. They are not varying to a far difference. It means we can say that B is most precise. What about C? It is 21, 20, 20, 20. It means C is most precise also. It means B and C are equally precise, you can say like that, and A is the least precise. But what about the accuracy? Whose result is close to 5.20? The result of C are more close to 5.20, you can say C is most accurate. What about B? The result of B are not that much close to the accurate mass. Hence, we can say that B is less accurate. But what about A? A is 5.20, 5.10, 500 or 5.0. It means A is the least accurate. Right? Thus you can compare the results. If the results are close to each other, they will be more precise. If they have the scattered value, then that will be the least precise. For example, I can make you understand by simple logic. Just understand, you have a circle and this is your bullseye. Okay, and you ask three students to shoot over it. The shooting of A, I can say, is right here. This one. What about B? Let me change the color. B has a shooting here. And what about C? This one. Now you can see A comparatively B. A is more accurate because it is close to the main value, but the results are scattered. So it means it is least precise. Because A is not able to hit, it shows that it has a random hit. Right? What about B? B is less accurate, of course, because both sides are here and the result of B are far from it. So we can say it is least accurate. But B is hitting like very close. Okay? Hence, we can say B will be more precise. What about C? C is close to the bullseye, even its hit are close to each other. It is more accurate and more precise. One thing. If you are asked that you have to select two students, you have to select two students for the competition. Whom will you select? Of course, C will be most selected because C is more close to the bullseye, even its hit is almost very close to each other. And second, what about second? A or B? Of course, B. Why? Because B is hitting like a single point, like this one. Suppose we are assuming that B should hit by keeping his arrow like this, and he is keeping his arrow this one. His aim is more precise. If I remove this error that he should be like this rather than this, I can move him like this, and now it will hit like a C. So B will be the second option for me because A is random. He is here, he is hitting right here, here, here. So removing these random errors, then these random results will be more difficult task for you. So A will not be prescribed for the competition purpose. Okay? तो ये बात आपको समझ में आ गई है कि जो ज्यादा प्रिसाइज होता है वो हमारे लिए ज्यादा हेल्पफुल रहेगा. Okay? Right. Now, here is the other example. If suppose I ask 4 students to measure the value of gravity, that should be 9.8, and 4 students gave me these readings. Now we have to identify which is more precise, which is less precise, which is more accurate, which is not. First of all, I compare the result by calculating their average value. The average value of the A's result is 10.8. For B, 9.8, 8.6, 9.80. If you see the result, it has 0, 10.77, 10.79, 82, 82, 84. Here is some agreement between the result. They are very close to one another. Hence, we can say A is less accurate because exact value is 9.8. It is less accurate, but A is more precise. What about B? The average of the result of B is 9.8. We can say it is more accurate, but the result is scattered. Why? Because if I put a 0 over here, you can see the result 8.50, 9.30, 9.70. The results are scattered. So B will be less precise. Okay. What about C? The C has result 8.6, and if I put a 0 over here, I will be able to identify either the results are scattered or close to each other. 7.00, 7.80. The difference is point. It means you can say the average value is not close to the exact value, so you can say it is less accurate and less precise. Alright. What about D? The results are 77, 78, 81, 83, 83. You can say there is a close agreement between the results. So you can say it is more precise. And since the average value is 9.80 and the exact result is 9.8, we can say it is more accurate. If you are asked to select only one student, whom you will select? D. Because D is accurate and more precise. Again, accuracy has nothing to do with the precision. These two are basically quite different. Okay, now let us see the other example. Now here is another example. Suppose the exact reading is 10.00. I asked 3 students to measure the same physical quantity. So number A student gives me 3 readings. So for B and C. Now compare these ones. 91, 90, 92, 99, 9.99, 10.02, 9.98. Now here 10.00, 9.99 and 10.50. Now whose value is more precise? The difference is 0.01 between the result. It is 0.01 more and it is 0.02 more, right? Okay, this is 0.1 less, 0.2 less. Okay, so these are more precise. But the result of C is 10, 9.9, 10.50. So C is least precise. Which one is more accurate? You can calculate the average value and you will find that exact value 10.00 will be given by B. So this one is most accurate. Right? And this one is less accurate and this one is least accurate. You can count it. So this is the precision and accuracy. If you have 2 students who one is more precise and other is more accurate, but he is less precise, then you have to select the B. Right? Okay? So this was all from my side. Now I'm waiting for your questions. You can write your questions in the comment section. Even you can give me the questions of NCERT or any refresher. For the NCERT, you have to mention the page number and the question number. Right? Then I will be giving all the notes in my next video. Take care, guys.